This is an unboxing video of the new Pixel Watch 2, in which we will remove the garbage surrounding the product. On the outside is a box, simple cardboard. This piece of garbage is covering this inner piece of garbage, which opens up to reveal the watch as well as more garbage. On the left side, you have some garbage surrounding a charger. That's garbage. That's garbage. Inside is a manual that no one will read, and some safety warnings that no one will read. On the right-hand side is more garbage surrounding a watch band. And more garbage. Finally, in the middle is the watch itself, which pulls out. It's surrounded in this piece of garbage, which gets thrown away. And that's the whole thing.